Okay, hi guys. Happy Tuesday. It's Miss Larson. Hopefully yesterday you learned all about different parts of a recipe because today we're going to apply it a little bit. You should have answered the do now question already, which is listing the 7 parts of a recipe, which remember from yesterday, or go to Canvas if you can't remember. All right, so as a reminder, yesterday's work and today's work needs to get done if you want to cook on Thursday. Okay, so that needs to be done. All right, today's assignment is about me recipe. So you're going to create your own recipe that's about yourself, making sure to include all 7 parts of the recipe that we learned about. So it needs to include the title, yield, at least 6 ingredients and amounts, directions, special equipment, time, and temperature. So here we have, wow, I have so many tabs open. Here we have mine. Okay. My title is Miss Larson. My yield is 14 servings because 14 is my favorite number. I put a bunch of ingredients of things that I like and like hobbies and favorites. So I put 2 tablespoons of hiking, half a teaspoon of cooking, 1 cup of coffee, a quarter cup of teaching, 1 teaspoon of lifting, and 5 cups of blue water because blue is my favorite color. And then my special equipment is a coffee mug and my nonstick saute pan because I love cooking with that. So my directions were combine hiking, cooking, and coffee in my nonstick saute pan, mix together well, dice teaching and lifting on a cutting board, add to saute pan and cook on low for 5 minutes, pour water into the coffee mug, then add the rest of the ingredients to the coffee mug. And then I think number 4 says feed everything to Ivan, who's my dog. And in that picture, you don't need to include a picture. I just was being extra. Okay. So you're creating your own recipe about yourself. And the worksheet looks like this. Okay. And then you're just going to write it under the line. And if this half page isn't enough for you because you're feeling yourself, you can use the back of your paper. Okay. And then lastly, the community skills reflection is super chill. And I want you guys to do this. It's a reflection, but I'm not making you use race that we did on Friday, right? It's really simple. And I even gave you a word bank if you were having a hard time thinking about what you wanted to put. So the directions are complete the sentences below, reflecting on what is going well in class and what needs to be improved on. You can use the word bank to help you, but you can use other words besides the ones I listed. So essentially, I want you to tell me what are things that are going well with your cooking group or your family group and something y'all could improve on. 3 things our class is doing well at, and 1 thing our class can improve on. 3 things that you're doing well at, and 1 thing to improve on. And then what's 1 thing that I can do better as your teacher, and 1 thing that I'm doing well at. Okay. So that's our little reflection. And I gave you the sentence stems and the word bank. So I don't want this to take too much time, but I do want to know what things are going well and what things that we need to improve on so that I can better help our classroom community as well. All right. So, as a reminder, I know I went through that quickly. You are going to do your About Me recipe. Okay. Like I just read my example. And then you're going to do your community skills reflection. Okay. Make sure we're getting this stuff done and ask for help and turn everything into the orange bucket that's your class period so that when I come back, I can grade it and make sure you can all cook. Okay. Love you. Bye.